So you're looking to replace your roof. For a lot of homeowners, this can be scary. A roof replacement might be something they do once in their lifetime, and usually it's one of the biggest expenses that somebody makes on their home. Roofs are $15,000, $20,000, sometimes even over $30,000. Then when you go looking at roofing companies, there's so many of them out there, and if you look online long enough or you talk to enough people, you'll probably hear some horror stories that are out there. So it can be a little bit unnerving as a homeowner making that decision. I've been doing this since I was 15 years old, so I'm gonna list a few of the things that I feel like are very important to look for when you are choosing a roofing company to work with. Look at the company's brand and online presence. Go on their social media. See if they have videos posted online, talking about themselves, talking about projects. You want to look for a company where they are building a platform. Try to understand how the company actually operates. Do they have in-house crews or do they subcontract? Do they have project managers on staff who manage the production? Do they have quality control and executives over their operations and over these important items like permitting, pre-production? A lot of companies rely heavily on subcontractors. There's not necessarily anything inherently wrong with this. However, it can cause for more quality control issues and bumps than if you actually are doing things in-house. See if you can actually tour their office and warehouse facilities. Is it a place where there's room for storing materials, training crews, housing their key staff and their key executives? This will kind of give you an idea of what kind of foundation that company has built, and again, how seriously they take their business. Definitely look at their reviews. To the company that gets a lot of reviews and is very active, are they recent or are they older? Read some good ones and then read some bad ones. No matter who the company is, they're gonna have some bad reviews. What's important, I would say, is the response to it. Is it the kind of company who tries to make things right, or do they try to kind of, push the responsibility somewhere else? Kind of get an idea of what that company stands for and kind of where they're focused on from a customer service standpoint. Look at the company's contract and read all the details. Specifically, I would look for their payment terms. A lot of companies want a lot of money up front before they've even scheduled you or gotten anything going. I believe that contractors should earn your trust by delivering to you before you have to pay money. Even if it's that they're gonna bring the materials there, something to kind of put their skin in the game. And then definitely read the fine print and the details. Every contractor is gonna have them, but they can widely vary and differ in terms of just how much responsibility they're really taking for the project. And a lot of that will show when you read the fine print of their contract. Finally, review the proposal in detail, specifically scope of work. It should have all the materials, all of the labor and install procedures down to cleanup. I would be careful about anything that's too vague. Specific and detail-oriented scopes of work kind of put accountability onto everybody. One other thing is that I would look for a company that can either give you references or, better yet, that you know someone, a friend, a neighbor, someone who's actually worked with this company, just to kind of seeing what that company is about. A roof is one of the biggest investments that you make on your property, so make sure you take your time, pick a contractor who you're really confident with, someone who they're gonna be around for the next 10, 15 plus years to furnish my warranty. At the end of the day, we'd love to earn your business at Trust Roofing, but whichever way you go, we wish you the absolute best. And hopefully this video provided you with some help.